is to work on the manufacturing processes for supporting independent designers to turn their ideas, great ideas, into rapid prototyping and manufacturing, so they can get their vision made much faster and get in front of the market, the people who can benefit from them much quickly. Right now, you know how long it takes to even make traditional clothing without electronics? It's like more than 9 months, or even to make this. This is a very traditional industry, and we have thousands of years of experience making clothing, and none of that knowledge seemed to be really captured on some shared knowledge hub. And we should be able to manufacture them very quickly if a lot of our knowledge is captured digitally. And we can allow designers to do digital design and then upload onto a platform that can connect them to manufacturers around the world, closest to them and closest to the people who are making orders. And the eventual goal of that is we can then really achieve made to order. My brand started to do this, and Kickstarter is actually one of the reasons for one of the reasons for hosting this on Kickstarter is to get order before making things, because fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world. So we shouldn't be generating more things that people don't want. And using a Kickstarter model is already applied to a lot of the new other types of products, but we should really do that for fashion as well, to use the same kind of methodology, made to order and open source in fashion, that can help people understand the processes, but also not to make something until someone already wants it. And then once someone wants it, make it really fast. Donating to environmental protection is also our mission, because fashion, we know the industry as a whole has been contributing negatively to the environment. And we shouldn't be making another brand that does that. And we want to make things that people love, and also think about how we can positively make a contribution to the environment. So by reducing our own waste and pollution, by making prototyping processes and the digital manufacturing and prototyping open source, we can really reduce a lot of the waste and pollution that current mass production does. So as a small brand, that's, I guess, a little bit more control, but I think more as brands get bigger, we really need to think about how we not negatively impact our environment.